Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Learn Quran in Arabic short video series. Bismillah, today we will learn how to learn and understand Quran with meaning. You can learn and understand Quran in many ways. There are several resources available on the internet for understanding Quranic Arabic. Inshallah, I will show you some websites where you can learn Quranic Arabic. First, you have to type Al-Quran green tech into Google. You will get a website showing www.gtaf.org. On this website, you will get the Al-Quran app for various platforms like Android, Apple, Huawei, Mac and Windows. Today I will show you a demo of the Android Play Store Quran app. This app shows you the word-to-word translation and normal translation of the Quranic Arabic. You can change the language of the word-to-word translation and normal translation such as English, Hindi, Urdu, Turkish and so on. There are many things to discover in this app, like in addition to word-to-word translation and normal translation, they also show the grammatical structures of the Arabic word. Let's see some of the grammatical conditions of the words. When you click on a word like hamd, it will show whether it is a noun, verb, preposition, etc. As you can see, it shows that it is a noun. They also show you the root letter of the word, and if you click for more, they will show you other derived words from that root letter, as well as their frequency, that is, how many times they occur in the Quran, as well as the surah number, ayah number, and word number. For example, when you click on na'abudu, it shows you that it is a verb. And when it shows you that it is a verb, it will also show you the perfect tense, which is past tense, imperfect tense, which is present or future, imperative, which is order, active and passive participle, and noun form, which is the verbal noun of the verb. So this is a very nice app to build your vocabulary in Quranic Arabic. Let us look at another website which also has similar things like this app, that is corpus.quran.com. When you visit corpus.quran.com, here also you can get a word-to-word translation of the Quran with grammatical structures. As you can see, they have written the Arabic words with its meaning and also their grammatical structures. But they also have even more than that. They have Quranic Arabic grammar chapters so that you can revise them whenever you need. They also have Quran dictionaries, a syntactic tree bank in which you have to click the dependency graph, which will show how the words are dependent on each other to form a sentence in Arabic. Inshallah, I am going to start the word-to-word translation series very soon, so stay tuned. The links to the websites are given in the description below. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.